This is not like India, right?
Yeah.
Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 4 of our trip. Today we are taking a ferry from Helsinki to Tallinn, and we had booked a day trip to Tallinn from Get Your Guide app. The day trip does not include hotel pickup and drop, so we took a bus from our hotel to the terminal from the HSL app. And once you reach there, you have to show the code that comes with your Get Your Guide booking, and once we show the tickets we can enter the ferry. So this is the inside of the ferry that we were traveling in. It was about 3 hours from Helsinki to Tallinn, and it left around 9 a.m. in the morning. Now there are shops from where you can buy duty-free items, but I would suggest not to because they are very expensive as compared to what you get on land. Now as soon as you land, your guide meets you there at the terminal in Tallinn. And us was a small group of about 7-8 people, and then we boarded a bus which took us to the main spot from where our walking tour was going to start.
For almost next 20 years. And in 1940, the Soviet troops entered this country, and it became the Republic of the USSR. On the right now you can see the main square, which is called Liberty Square, and it's really a very important place because the most important political, economical and different cultural events, celebrations, concerts are held on the square.
And the bus leaves us at this spot from where our guided tour starts. Our first stop was the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, and our guide gave us all the information about this place, and it was really beautiful. Look at that architecture. Now let's walk and explore the city and all that it has to offer. On our way, we stopped at the Kalev Coffee House, which was the oldest coffee house in Tallinn, and it's famous for its marzipan chocolate structures, which are said to last years if preserved like this. It gets very hard once you start preserving them, as they say, and those chocolates were delicious. And this lovely lady here is very famous as an artist over here. We roamed about, took in the vibe of the place, and decided to have some cheesecake because they were looking utterly delicious. And once we reached the square, our walking tour came to an end, and our guide recommended this place for lunch, which works on no electricity, simply candlelit, and the whole vibe of the place was very medieval. We were told to try the mushroom soup, but by mistake they gave us the elk soup, and this was our first time trying elk, and it was actually good. And then they gave us the mushroom soup along with some bread and cream cheese. Then we said goodbyes and headed to the ferry and headed back to Helsinki. And that's the end of the vlog. Do subscribe if you like my videos and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.